Do you want to build your own WordPress theme but don't know where to start? Do you want to learn the basics but you don't have time to read all the WordPress codex? In this video, you will learn what it takes to start developing your own WordPress theme. Hi, my name is Adrian, and this channel is all about WordPress. If you would like to know when I am posting videos, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. WordPress has two main components. It has a file system and a database. All the code, images, PDFs, and whatever you are uploading through the media library is stored in the file system. All the content from pages, posts, products, and custom post types are stored in the database, as well as the plugin settings, theme settings, and user settings. Developing a WordPress theme is not that hard, but it requires you to have some programming skills. To be able to create a theme, you have to know PHP, HTML, and CSS. PHP is the brain behind the theme. With PHP, you are creating and rendering the theme's templates. You create rules and get data from the database. HTML is the template structure. You will create your theme's layout and custom templates for posts, pages, and custom post types. CSS is your paintbrush. You will decide what you want to paint on your browser's canvas. You will give the dimensions of your layout's element, select text colors, backgrounds, visual effects, and anything related. All the themes are stored in one folder. To find the themes folder, you have to log in into your hosting account, go to File Manager, Public HTML, WP Content, and Themes. You will see here all the themes that are installed on your website. For a directory in the themes folder to be considered a theme, you have to create two files, index.php and style.css. If you go into your WordPress admin and click Appearance, you will see your new theme, but that's not enough to have a functional theme. A theme has three main components: a header, a content section, and a footer. For each of those elements, you have to create at least one file: header.php for the header, footer.php for the footer, and singular.php for the content section. If you intend to have blog posts on your website, I recommend you create two files: single.php, which will be used for your blog posts, and page.php, which will be used for the pages. But we need one more file: functions.php. In this file, you will tell WordPress what style sheets to use, create widget areas, register custom post types, and other functionality that you want your WordPress theme to have. So there you have it. Those are the files that you need to create a WordPress theme. But if you create those files and activate your theme, nothing will be displayed. You have to code those files. But I have a solution for you. Let me show you. You'll find most of the code for the header, for the footer, for the content section on the WordPress codex and also on forms. But there is a easier way to do. There is a website that will auto-generate the clean WordPress theme for you, which doesn't have any overhead or unneeded or unwanted scripts or JavaScript or anything like that. The website names is underscores.me and is really easy. It's just a click of a button. Let me show you. So go on underscores.me, and here you will write your theme name and click generate, and that's it. To update the theme to your WordPress website, you have to go under Appearance and Themes, Add New, and upload theme and select the theme from your downloads and install. And if you click activate, you'll have the theme that you created here. Right now it's not looking really good because this website was created with a different theme, so it will not take in consideration that theme's settings. If we open up a post, is a basic theme. You need to style it to look pretty, but that is the easiest way that you can generate the code for a theme. This theme has more files than the one that I told you you need, and let me walk you through the files and what they actually are doing for the theme. So let me go to my hosting and go in public HTML and WP content and themes. And this is the theme that I created with underscores. So we have a couple of directories here and a couple of file here. Under includes, you'll find the custom header, customizer, jetpack, template function, and template tags. The custom header is a section inside of the theme. If we go inside of our WP admin and go under appearance, you'll see here header. And if you click here, we'll redirect you to customize and header image. This is the code for that part. The customizer is the code for most of those settings. The jetpack, if you are using jetpack, they are adding some features here. If we go inside the template functions, what it does here, it adds some classes to the singular, and also it's adding a class if the singular doesn't have a sidebar. This part here, as you see in this comment, is adding a piggyback URL to auto discovery header for single post pages or attachments. We have the template tags. Basically, this is the template of the tags, like the author and the date on the blog post. Go back to our theme. We have JS. This is just a minimal JS for your website to run smoother. And that's about it. In languages, if you have a multilingual website and want your theme to support different languages, this is the place where you will place your templates. In template parts, there are some template parts that are running under some conditions. For example, here it's pretty descriptive. If you don't have any content, if you have content on the page, if it's a search result, and content is for the blog post. We go back. Those two files, you don't have to worry about. You can delete them if you want. Those files are used by the useCore script to generate this theme. The 404.php is the template that will be displayed when the user will hit a broken or non-existing link on your website. The license is just a regular license. The readme.md is the readme that it comes with this theme. If you go inside of it, you can see it has some description about this theme. The archive.php is a template for the author page, categories and tags, or other custom taxonomies if you will create some in the future. The comments.php is the template for the comments. Composer.js, again, you can delete this. It's just used by the underscore script to create this template. The footer is the footer. The functions.php, I already covered that. Header.php, I already covered that. Index.php, I already covered that. The package.json, it's the same as with composer.json. They are just used to generate this template. You can delete them. The page.php is the template for the pages. This also is a script like the package.json. You can delete those. The readme.txt, it's the readme, but in a text file, not in the MD format like we have here. It's basically the same content. You can keep either one of those if you want. The screenshot.png is the screenshot that is here when you see your theme inside of the themes on the WP admin. You see it's just a white background. You can change this to look like this or a custom photo that you would like. Just replace the screenshot.png that is here with your photo, and that photo will be displayed here. The search.php is the template for the search results. If you have a search bar on your website, sidebar is the template for the sidebar. Single.php is the template for the blog posts. Styles-rtl.css are the styles that will be used if you have a right to left website orientation, like if you have an Arabic website, there will be some styles that will compensate for the style.css. And the style.css is the styles of the website. That will be pretty much it. If you want to modify something inside of those templates, as I said before, you have to know some PHP to understand what exactly is happening here. And you have to do some reading about the WordPress hooks, about loop action and filters. Those are something that you must read if you want to extend this WordPress theme to do more complex things. That's about it for today. If you have any additional questions, leave it in the comment section down below. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up. And if you like my content, subscribe to my channel.